Another day at the bird feeder. Ruby, the female cardinal, braves the driving snow to visit the feeder, unfazed by the storm. The wind shakes the feeder, but Ruby's steady determination ensures she gets her meal. In the background, sparrows cling to the bush, conserving energy and avoiding the feeder for now. Birds like Ruby have special adaptations for winter survival, including downy feathers for insulation and a high metabolic rate to generate warmth. Their tiny feet are protected from frostbite by a counter-current heat exchange system, keeping them functional even in freezing conditions. Survival in winter storms demands energy efficiency, which is why the sparrows wait for calmer conditions to forage.